What if I told you there is one supplement that has been researched for decades, yet still misunderstood by half the gym? Some swear it's the secret weapon for muscle growth, others say that you don't need it at all, just eat right and train hard. So what's the truth? Is creatine really necessary for better gains, or is just expensive powder you pee out? Hey friends, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Dushyant. I work in London as an exercise physiologist, a personal trainer and a nutritionist, and have been working as a health and fitness professional for almost a decade now. So today we'll talk about creatine, arguably the most researched supplement in fitness and still somehow the most misunderstood. Let's start with what it actually is. Creatine is made in your body from amino acids arginine, glycine and methionine, and about 95% of it is stored right in your muscles. It helps you make ATPs, your muscles' main energy source, so you can train harder, lift heavier and recover faster. But when ATP runs out, which happens in seconds, creatine steps in to recharge it. That means better performance ensured in intense efforts like lifting or sprinting. Now, can you get creatine from food? Yes, but it's not that simple. You need to eat nearly 2 pounds of steak or fish every single day just to hit the amount you'd get from 1 scoop of creatine powder, and that's not practical. And if you're a vegetarian or vegan, you're likely already low in creatine to begin with. So, supplementing can give you a noticeable edge. But here's what's important. Once your muscles are full, the rest gets flushed out. It turns into creatinine, a waste product you simply pee out. That's why, after a short loading phase, you only need a small daily dose to maintain the benefits. Let's talk about water weight. Yes, creatine causes water retention, but not in the way people think. It pulls water into your muscle cells, not under your skin. So you are not bloated. Your muscles actually feel denser, stronger, and even more pumped, and that's a good thing. Now, one of the biggest concerns people have is kidney damage. Let's be clear. In healthy individuals, as far as I know, there is zero clinical evidence that creatine damages the kidney or liver. Elevated creatinine levels don't mean damage. They simply reflect more creatine usage. Still, if you have a pre-existing condition, check with your doctor before starting anything new. Now, the big question is, does creatine directly build muscles? Not exactly. It doesn't build muscle the way protein does. What it does is help you train harder. More volume, more reps, better recovery. And over time, that means bigger, stronger muscles. In fact, one large meta-analysis found that creatine users gained about 1.4 kilograms more lean mass than those who didn't supplement, while doing the exact same training programs. Now, it's not just for bodybuilders. Sprinters, HIIT athletes, even older adults benefit from creatine. Why? Because it improves strength, speed, muscle retention. Even more exciting, new research shows that creatine may help with brain health, mental fatigue, and cognitive function, especially under stress or sleep deprivation. So, how you actually take it? Option 1, do a loading phase. 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 1 week, then drop to 3 to 5 grams daily. Option 2, skip the loading phase, take 3 to 5 grams every single day. It will take a few more weeks to saturate your muscles, but it works just as well. Another thing, consistency is what matters the most. Take it even on your rest days. And no, creatine isn't just for men. Women benefit too, from strength, endurance, even possible hormone regulation. The science supports it. It's just the marketing hasn't caught up yet. And if you are comparing creatine to other supplements, it's in its own league. Protein helps you recover, pre-workout gives you a temporary boost, but creatine, it helps you train harder and get more out of every single session. It's safe, it's cheap, it's effective, and when combined with consistent training and good nutrition, it works. So, is creatine right for you? If you're training regularly, wanting to improve performance, build more muscle, or just get more out of your workouts, yes, it just might be the most beneficial supplement you're not using yet. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness content. And if you want tailored coaching, guidance, or nutrition consultation, visit me at www.dushyantoma.com. Train smart, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.